Now the things that we are left with from this subtopic 1.2 is point number 4 that says use of the dichotomous keys. The word dichotomous itself means branching into two, and key is indicating the feature of an organism. So each feature branches further into two different features. There are different types of dichotomous keys. Some are in the form of spider key. Second type of key would be the descriptive key, in which description of feature will be provided and you will be asked to identify the correct feature of the organism that you are provided with in the form of diagram. Such as, let us talk about question. With the help of question, you can clearly understand this particular point. So here you can see a diagram is there of an animal, and we have to find we have to use the key to identify this particular animal. Feature 1 says that it has two wings, it has four wings. If we talk about the diagram, there are four wings present there, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we have to go to 3. So it means option A and option B would not be the correct one because it does not have the two wings present. So for four wings, let us talk about feature number 3 or statement number 3, that is further divided into two features, two statements. It has feathery antenna, it has smooth antenna. If we talk about the antenna that is present there, so these are antennas that are there. One pair or there are two antennas present, and these antennas are smooth antenna. They don't have feathery like shape. So the right option that would be there is the D1. Similarly, there is another question. Again, in this question, you are provided with the diagram of that animal, and with the help of the key, we have to find out what would be the genus of this particular organism. So it has jointed legs. This is the first feature that is further divided into two more features. It has jointed legs. It has three pair of legs or more than three pair of legs. So for this particular point, we have to talk about the diagram. So it has 1, 2, 3, and then 4. It has more than three pair of the legs. So we have to go for option C and D. Option A and B would not be the correct one there because it does not have three pair of legs. It has more than three pair of the legs. So more than three pair of legs further divided into two features. Four pair of legs or more than four pair of legs. And in the diagram, the organism that is shown there are having four pair of legs. So option C is the correct one there. So this is how questions can come in the form of MCQs regarding the dichotomous keys. You will be provided with the features and you have to identify the name, the genus, the particular characteristic of organism that is given in the form of diagram. If you talk about one of the theory question, so for example, here you are provided with 6 plant species from A to F. And this is the key with the help of which we have to identify the name of each and every organism. And these names are not common name, these are binomial name or scientific name. The very first feature says that leaf has a smooth unlobed outline. So first of all, let us find out the plants that are having a smooth and unlobed outline. So the plant species A and plant species F both are having smooth and unlobed leaf shape. You can also write the name of those species here. So A and F are having smooth and unlobed outline. So that we will only be specifying to A and F species while talking about the A part of statement number 1. So it says go to 2. So here we are at the statement at the feature number 2, and first statement of feature 2 says leaf is more than twice as long as it is wide. So between species A and F, there is a plant species whose leaf is more than twice as long as it is wide. So if you talk about the diagrams that are there, so the species F is more than twice as long as it is wide. So the name of F species would be this particular scientific name. Second, B part of statement 2, leaf is not more than twice as long as it is wide. We are left with only one species. You can simply write that name here as well, that particular letter here as well, or you can also check it out either is it the correct one or not. Coming back to statement number 1 or feature number 1, part B, leaf does not have a smooth unlobed outline. So if we talk about species B, C, D and E, all of these four species are not having a smooth and unlobed outline. So it says go to 3. So here we are at the statement number 3 or feature number 3, whose part A says leaflets are present. So coming back toward the diagram, the leaflets are present in species D and species E. For leaflets present, it says go to 4. So we are here at the fourth statement. Part A says only 5 leaflets are present. So coming back to the diagram, the plant species E is having 5 leaflets present, such as here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 leaflets are present in species E. So here I am writing the letter of that particular species. So species E has this particular scientific name or binomial name. Fourth statement part B says more than 5 leaflets are present. So coming back, the organism that is present in species D have the more than 5 leaflets present. So D will be written here. Going back toward the third statement, whose part B says leaflets are not present, and for that we have to go to 5. And here we are with the fifth statement, whose part A says leaf has spikes on its outer edge. So first of all, it don't have leaflets, and the plant species not having the leaflets is the B and the C. And between B and C, one of those species are having spikes present, while other species don't have the spike-like shape. So the species having spike-like shape is the C1, and which does not have the spikes present, that is the B1. So this is 5 marks question for dichotomous key. You can get an idea that how dichotomous keys can come in your theory questions. Also, we have solved some of the MCQs question. You can also get the idea that how these topics will come in your exams, either in the form of theory, either in the form of MCQs.